So do you think you only need cornrows to install a U-part wig? Well, you're wrong. If you know how to plait your hair, you can install your own U-part wig, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Marlena and welcome back to Hair and Hammers. I'm a licensed master cosmetologist and I am here to teach you how you can do your hair yourself at home by using my tutorials, my tips, my tricks, and my recommendations. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install your own U-part wig with no cornrows, only plaits. And I only have about 7 plaits in my head. It's super simple, super easy, super quick, and super flat. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm going to show you how I install my U-part wig. Super fast, super quick, with no cornrows required. So I leave a lot of hair out at the top because I just like my hair to look flat and as realistic as possible. And my hair is long enough to be able to leave it out. But it doesn't matter. You can leave as little out as possible, just enough to cover the tracks if you want to. Now for the sides, I don't leave a whole lot out at all. I just like to leave enough out if I like tuck my hair behind my ear that you can see the wig. I'm just gonna twist these little babies away. This is literally just a sliver of hair. Okay, so this is for my girls that don't know how to cornrow, but they can plait. And I'm gonna show you how to do it pretty quickly, okay? First, you want to comb off a section that is about the same length as your clip. Okay, the same length as your clip. And then we're going to braid this because this is going to be an anchor braid that your clip will attach to. Okay, that's one. Now I have 3 clips on here. One for this front, one for this front, and then one for the middle, and the rest of them are combs. So I'm going to do the same for the very back. And you don't have to braid all the way down because you're just going to connect that to the other braid that you're going to do or add it to it. Okay, so now that you got your 3 braids, I'm going to basically just part my hair down the middle and the back. So depending on the thickness of your hair will determine how many plaits you're going to do. But I'm going to, because my hair is pretty, I want it to lay flat. Now for my cornrow girls that know how to cornrow, you just do one cornrow here, one cornrow there. But I'm doing this as simple as possible for my girls that don't know how to cornrow. Okay, I'm just going to start braiding at the bottom. Make sure that you pull in your hair kind of taut and tight right there. Okay, I'm so sorry guys. I clearly am new to this YouTube thing and I keep forgetting to wear mic. In my first video, I realized it while I was editing. I'm sorry. I hope that this doesn't disturb the video, but hopefully you're getting everything that you need from it. But I promise I will remember to wear my mic. I don't know why I keep doing that. Okay. So next I'm going to do another braid and I'm going to add this one to it. Hey, monkey pie.
What's up?
Nothing.
How are you gonna do your hair?
Putting on my wig.
No.
Love you.
Me too. Wait, I don't need dry.
My hair?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
It don't look dry?
Huh?
It don't look dry?
Well, it does, but I already dried so fast.
Your mama got skills.
Yeah.
Okay, so I use elastic bands on the ends of my hair. Kind of combine the two braids at the very end. You want to use elastic versus rubber so you don't pull your hair out. Again, I'm just combining the two braids on the tail end and using just one elastic band. That will do. Okay, so sometimes I either sew the braids down or I pin them. For this demonstration, I'm just going to pin them to make it as easy as possible for you. Now you need some good, strong, the large bobby pins. So I'm gonna take one side. And remember to always use your pins going down like this. And you're just gonna anchor it, okay? And then I'm gonna take this piece and kind of tuck it. And then I'll do another one. Voila. And then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to press my hair before I put my wig on. I just feel like it's easier. Okay, now I'm ready to install my wig. Get this hair out of the way. First, I'm gonna start with this comb right here in the middle. I'm gonna attach it to that braid, let it clamp. All right, and then I'm gonna use the combs. See the comb, and I'm just gonna slide it in my hair. And one more comb in the back, underneath. And we're done. So simple, so easy. And I don't want to hear you say I can't do that, because you can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. That is how much hair I had out. And I just like to leave a lot of hair out because I like my hair to be flat at the top. I know a lot of people like volume. That's just not me. But if it's you, feel free to leave less hair out. It'll still be relatively flat, but this is just my preference. But I like my hair to be flat at the top because that's what looks natural. It literally looks like this could be my hair, right? That's how it's supposed to be. So now I'm going to show you how I style it. Okay, what do you guys think? The wig is on. This is before me styling it. Let me show you that. And it's still nice and flat. So usually I style my wigs off of my head, but I'm gonna show you how I do it on my head today. How do I want it styled? I think I'm gonna do like some wavy beach curls. I'm just going to only press the ends, about 4 inches of the ends. Okay, so I divide my hair into the middle. Okay, I'm gonna start on this side. And I'm gonna take small, well, it's not too small, but about this size section. First, I'm gonna spray it with the Mika Anti-Humidity. And then I'm gonna go in with the Flex's Touchable Hairspray by Mika. Okay, so when you're curling to get waves, I'll show you how to do it. I'm gonna take this curling iron. All right, so I'm leaving about 1 inch of the ends out. And that is the trick to give you a beach wave. And when you're taking the curling iron out of your hair, you wanna take it out vertically. And you wanna like unwind it and then let go. So it looks like this. And then I'm gonna alternate directions for beach waves. I'll go this way on some and then the other way on others. That's what gives it that like effortless, beachy, wavy, kind of like tousled look. So every other one I'm gonna do it differently. So this one, I'm gonna go back. All right, so when I get to the last two, I always like these to go back. So I just do them regular. A little bit more hairspray. And remember, I didn't press my hair all the way to the ends because I know the curling iron is gonna do that part. Oops. Okay, so away from my face. Okay, so while this side is cooling, I will start on this side. First of all, do you see how natural it looks and how flat it is? You cannot tell me this is not my hair. So this front piece here, I'm gonna go all the way to the ends on this one and pull it out. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna let this side cool. Now I don't use edge control. I like to just spray a little bit of hairspray on a fine tooth comb, and then I just comb in my little babies. Now, do you guys see how flat and natural it looks? And I don't have much of my hair out. Then I like to go in with the Mika Top Gloss Shine Spray. Just to add a little shine. And I'm gonna toss my hair back and forth. you've made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you so much. I truly appreciate your support. And if you found value in this video, please comment, share, subscribe. I would love to have you here. I'm here building a community where you can learn how to do your hair yourself with my tools and my tips.